Hello guys! In this video we are going to discuss the place value of a number and we're going to discover what is a place value. And of course in order to know the place value of a number, these bodies are going to help us, the tens and the ones. Let's move forward. You have to know guys that every number has a value and the value of the number depends on what place it is in, either in the ones or in the tens. And to represent the ones, we use this small block which is called ones. And to represent the tens, we use this big block which is called the tens. As you can see, number 1 and its value is 1. So we use only one block to represent it. And of course, it belongs to the ones place and not to the tens. So we put it in the ones. Same for number 2. I use two ones to represent number 2 and its place is in the ones. Number 3, I use three ones to represent it and I put it in the ones and not in the tens. Now let's think. What about if we had number 10? What will happen? Can we put 1 and 0 together in the ones? Of course not. Let me tell you. In order to represent number 10 using blocks, we can't draw 10 ones. This is so much. So we are going to join them together to get 110. So instead of drawing 10 ones to represent number 10, we use only one big block, which is called 10, to represent it. What about the place value? Yes, I put the 1 in the tens and the 0 in the ones. So number 10 has 0 ones and 1 tens. Now let's try to do this number. How many tens are there? There is only 1. How many ones are there? There are 2. What about joining them together? Let's check. 1 tens, 2 ones, together we will get number 12. Yes, so 1 10, 2 ones, we will get number 12. So, how many tens are there? Only 1. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 10, 5 ones, and we've got number 15. Let's try to make this number. Number 13. Let's look at the tens. How many tens are there? Only 1. So we have to drag only 1 10. How many ones are there? 3. So I have to drag 3 ones. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. So 1 tens, 3 ones. We've got number 13. Now let's think about the numbers from a different way a little bit. We're going to decompose the numbers. As you can see over here, we have many birds and we divided them into two groups. The first group we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 in this group. While in the second group we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 in the second group. What about putting these two groups together? 10 and 7, 17. So if we put the first group which has 10 and the second group which has 7 together, we will get number 17. Let's try to use it with some blocks. What about representing number 10 using the blocks? In order to represent number 10, we need 1 10. In order to represent number 7, we need 7 ones. So 1 10, 7 ones, 17. Yes, let's try another thing. Wow, look at these rabbits. Also, we've divided them into two groups. 10 rabbits, and in the second group, we have 4 rabbits. To represent number 10 using blocks, we need 1 10. To represent number 4 using blocks, we need 4 ones. Together, 1 10, 4 ones, we've got number 14. So if we want to decompose number 14, we need 10 and 4. 10 plus 4, we've got number 14. Goodbye, guys. See you later. I hope you enjoyed this video.